Take a deep breath. Now imagine falling into cold water. Your body does something ancient and brilliant. It flips on a survival mode called the mammalian dive reflex, a hidden oxygen boost humans still carry from our ocean-going ancestors. What actually happens? 3 big switches flip almost instantly. 1. Bradycardia. Your heart rate drops. Fewer beats equal less oxygen burned. 2. Peripheral vasoconstriction. Blood shunts inward. Arteries in your limbs narrow, sending blood to the core, heart, lungs, brain. 3. Spleen contraction. A natural blood booster pack. Your spleen squeezes out red blood cells, bumping your oxygen-carrying capacity for minutes. Together, these extend how long you can function with little or no air. What triggers the reflex? Cold water on the face, especially around the nose and eyes. Breath hold, no air moving through the lungs. Submersion and facial immersion amplify the effect. You don't have to be a pro diver. Even splashing cold water on your face can nudge the reflex. Let's zoom in. Bradycardia. Sensors in your face talk to your brainstem. Your vagus nerve tells the heart, slow down. A resting 70 BPM can dip dramatically during strong dive response. Vasoconstriction. Blood is redirected from non-essential for survival tissues to the oxygen-critical organs. Hands and feet get cold, core stays warm and supplied. Spleen contraction. Think of the spleen as a quiet RBC reservoir. During breath holds or hypoxia, it releases extra red cells into circulation. More hemoglobin equals more oxygen transport. Why do elite freedivers train this? Because the reflex is trainable. Repeated breath holds and cold face exposures can strengthen faster bradycardia onset, stronger blood shift, a bigger spleen release. They also train relaxation, CO2 tolerance, and equalization, but the dive reflex is the built-in hardware. Everyday relevance? Cold splash to calm down. The bradycardia or parasympathetic surge can reduce acute stress for some people. Safety around cold water. The first gasp reflex happens before the dive reflex, so always respect cold shock. Life jackets save lives. Athlete breath control. Breath hold drills are used carefully for awareness and pacing, not for pushing blackout limits. Myths versus facts. Humans don't have a real dive reflex. We do. It's weaker than in seals, stronger than in many land mammals, and measurable. It's just willpower. No, it's autonomic. You can influence it with training, but it's physiology, not magic. Anyone can safely push max breath holds. No, hypoxic blackout is real and can be fatal, especially in water. Training must be supervised and conservative. Cool side notes. Babies show a surprisingly strong version. Face immersion triggers breath hold and bradycardia. High-altitude natives and divers can show larger spleen volumes, more RBC on demand. Some wearables capture the heart rate drop during cold face tests. Practical demo, dry, safe. Cold face reset, 1 to 2 minutes. Sit down. Hold a bag with cold water, plus a few ice cubes to your cheeks, forehead. Breathe slowly through your nose, don't breath hold. Notice the heart rate drop and calm. If you try breath hold practices, dry, seated, never in water, never alone. Recap: you have a hidden breath hold mode. Heart slows. Blood shifts to the core. Spleen releases extra red cells. It's an ancient survival trick that still works, a quiet oxygen upgrade, on demand. Love biology that feels like a superpower? Subscribe to New Curiosity every Sunday.